What is the easiest and most practical DIY gift you can make with Cricut? I'll definitely say it's Bookmark. This was highly requested Cricut tutorial on my IG, so here it is. So the first step is to get the SVG file ready for Cricut machine to cut. I have over 150 plus SVG files for Bookmark, and guess what? Access to all of them actually comes with every Bookmark blank purchase. Download the file you want to use, then make sure to unzip before anything. Then make sure to upload SVG files. Go ahead and command ungroup, delete rest of the designs you do not need. Then keep ungrouping until you separate all of the elements by colors like this. If you want to cut multiple colors in one go, then change all of the elements to one color like this. Then don't forget to hit attach each element so in the next step the designs are not scattered around and all messy. Hit make, then arrange the elements placement on the mat like this for easier vinyl placement later. Let's cut your design, and don't worry, cutting vinyls by colors in one go is not that hard if you're only working with 2 or 3 colors at a time. And if you prefer cut colors matte by matte feature, then that's totally fine too. Anything you feel comfortable, do it. I stuck with a color combination from my original design this time, but my favorite part of creating with vinyl is the fact that you can play around with colors and make different color combinations. Go ahead and cut the vinyl slightly bigger than the placement we arranged earlier on design space, then cover the cutting area with each vinyl like this. For weeding vinyls, I swear by these tools. Scrap collector ring and this needle pen, which I made it by myself by sticking the sewing needle in mechanical pencil. I can't literally do any Cricut craft without these two tools. Okay, start weeding the vinyls you just cut, and if the designs are too small for you to weed, I'd recommend a reverse weeding technique. Have you ever heard of it? I didn't use the technique this time, but let me know down below in the comments if you want to learn these techniques. It's quite useful when you have tiny designs you don't want to mess up. When you are done, I usually like to apply the transfer vinyls to each of the designs to get them organized. By the way, this 50 feet transfer roll is the best thing, and I swear I bought this last year, but more than half is left to use. Okay, I think we are ready to layer these vinyls. This is our best-selling Bookmark acrylic plank, and like I said before, you get free access to all of Bookmark SVG files, including future designs. Don't forget to peel the protective films on both sides. I always recommend printing out the PNG files with the home printer like this for application aid. I probably didn't need one for this particular design, but wanted to show you guys anyways. My ink is running out, so don't come at me. As you can see, I am using the printed guideline to assemble the vinyl. Always start with the bottom elements first, and then work your way up to the element on top. Making Bookmark with 2 to 3 color combination is such a good practice for beginner Cricut users too. You can learn how to cut vinyls matte by matte or multiple colors in one go, and also you can learn how to layer on a solid surface. I like adding chiffon ribbons for Bookmark for a more elegant look, like these ones, but the design we made this time is more, retro and cute, so let's add tassels on this Bookmark to make it extra cute. This tassel with color options are also available on our shop as well. I think color matched perfectly, you guys. What do you think? I usually like to have these blanks stocked up on my craft room, and when I have book club meeting or someone's birthday, I make this little practical gift with a personalized name on them. This quick yet thoughtful gift never fails to make my family and friends happy. You watch this far and still scared to work with the colors and layering vinyls? I got you, girl. How is ready to apply Bookmark decal sounds? If you know, you know, but these are called UV DTF decal and they are ridiculously easy to apply and decorate bookmark blanks. These decals are also available on my shop, and if you are so scared to work with vinyls or simply don't have time or want to be more efficient for your small business, then I'd strongly recommend give them a try. I really hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy crafting!